have Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We've got a 240 Super Sunliner that just came in on trade. These things are extremely rare. All the used boats are being sold. I wanted to get this video out to you real quick and let you take a look at it. The interior of this is in fantastic shape for being a 2008 model. All the vinyl's intact. Plenty of seating. Has an Eagle fish finder on it. Stereo. Captain's chair with dual armrests. It's got a bimini top. Full cover. This boat's going to be priced at $21,000. Give me a call. Again, Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168.